Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick and shout out Saad and the team over at Forex Beginners Academy. Listen, man, this training that you guys put together has been absolutely amazing. It is so comprehensive and just to the point. Absolutely amazing stuff, guys. When I started trading 4 months ago, at least I thought I was trading 4 months ago. It turns out I'd just been gambling. When I started with books. I did YouTube videos. I signed up for signal services, and I don't know how many PDFs I downloaded from the web and just went right in. Turns out I was making money by sheer luck, but losing money by sheer ignorance. And so as I started stepping through the course, I realized there was so much I didn't know. Even the basics from support and resistance, drawing monthly levels, weekly levels, daily levels, candlestick patterns, learning the difference in how they correlate from time frame to time frame, Fibonacci retracements, actually setting stop loss and take profit, and perhaps one of the most important lessons, risk management. That was a huge piece that I was missing, and that's why I kept on draining the account just as quickly as I grew it. So listen, guys, you get to do all of this stuff, learn all of it. They teach you how to put it together in TradingView and then upload your charts to a private student group where Saad or maybe one of the fellow student members would go in and actually critique your chart and let you know what you need to do to make it better. Absolutely amazing, guys. Listen, if you want to learn how to trade, learn how to really trade and stop gambling, if you want to learn how to do this right, sign up for Forex Beginners Academy and get it done. It will be the best thing you do for your trading career. I can promise you that. Saad, I appreciate what you're doing, man. It's amazing that folks like you still exist that just want to help folks like us. Thanks for what you're doing, brother.